Today, construction is just not about engineering, it is about management. Projects are becoming more complex with higher investment, tighter budgets, and multiple stakeholders. Even the smallest gaps are becoming very expensive. Hello, everyone. Myself, Mithun Ravle, Managing Director and CEO at Samar Construction Consultants Private Limited. Over the last 25 years, I have seen how project management has evolved. Late appointment to early strategic involvement. Earlier, PMCs were appointed in the project when the construction work would have already begun. Their role was limited to progress reporting, tracking delays, and preparing progress reports. By the time PMC entered the project, most of the critical decisions, that is, design, budgeting, and planning, would have been taken. Of course, without the proper coordination. Today, leading projects appointment PMC during planning and pre-construction stage. During this stage, PMC contributes to feasibility studies, budgeting, scheduling, risk assessment, and design coordination. This early involvement ensures better control over project scope, cost planning, realistic timeline, ensuring lesser surprises during construction. From fragmented roles to integrated project leadership. Traditionally, project stakeholders worked in silos. Architects, consultants, contractors, vendors, and client operated independently, leading to communication and coordination gaps. In today's scenario, PMC works as an integrated project leader, ensuring alignment of all the stakeholders under the single project framework. They coordinate design development, cost planning, contract strategy, statutory approvals, execution monitoring. This integration is especially critical in complex and high revenue projects, where even small misalignments can lead to major delays and financial losses. From monitoring agency to strategic partner who help client take decisions. Earlier, PMCs were seen as monitoring and coordinating agencies who used to report delays, highlight issues, and prepare progress reports. But now the expectation is different. PMCs are considered as a strategic partner who support client in procurement planning, risk management, value engineering, and vendor performance monitoring. Their role is not just to track what is happening, but to contribute for a better decision which can enhance project performance and outcomes. Supervision that adds measurable value. Over the period of time, site supervision has also evolved. It is not just limited to checking the workmanship and site activity. Modern supervision contributes to various project activities such as design coordination, quality assurance, safety management, cost control, and schedule adherence. By identifying issues early, PMCs help reduce rework, prevent contractor claims, and avoid costly delays caused by poor coordination. Proactive control over time, cost, and quality. In the past, the project management was reactive. The problems were addressed when there was a delay or cost overrun already happened. In today's scenario, the project management adopts proactive approach. Today, PMCs focus on proactive approach, that is, preparing accurate BOQs, developing realistic and logic-driven schedules, monitoring vendor performance, and conducting continuous progress reviews. This approach ensures that potential problems are addressed before they impact timelines or budgets. Risk management as a core function. Risk management has become a core responsibilities of PMCs. Modern PMCs identify and mitigate risk related to design changes, delays in approval, cost escalation, resources shortages, and compliance requirement. By identifying and managing the risk, PMC protects project timelines, budget, and overall financial viability of the project. Conclusion. The role of a project management consultant has evolved over the period of time from supervision to a strategic leadership. PMCs today, they are not just managing construction, they are managing complexity, uncertainty, and performance. In the modern construction, this determines whether the project simply gets built or gets delivered successfully. Why is construction considered as management challenge rather than engineering one? Project success now depends on tighter timelines, rising cost, and higher financial exposure. What is the benefit of appointing PMCs in pre-construction stage? Early involvement allows PMC to influence feasibility studies, risk assessment, and design coordination, which are very critical for project success. What does integrated project leadership entail? It means aligning all project stakeholders, that is, client, architects, consultants, contractors, and vendors, under a single project framework. How has PMC expectation has shifted from monitoring to strategic role? PMCs no longer just track progress and monitor delays, they contribute and influence important decisions regarding procurement, value engineering, and vendor performance. Which risks the modern PMCs are responsible for mitigating? Modern PMCs manages risks related to design changes, delays in approval, cost escalations, and resources shortages. When were the PMCs traditionally appointed? Historically, the PMCs were appointed when the construction work has already begun. How does proactive optimization help prevent budget overruns? By using accurate BOQs and logic driven schedules to address problems before they impact the budget. What is the goal of modern supervision? Supervision in today's scenario adds value by integrating schedule adherence, cost control, quality assurance, and safety management. What determines the successful project delivery in modern construction? The strategic management of uncertainty, complexity, and performance. Thus, the early PMC involvement helps reduce surprises. Yes, it ensures better control over project scope and cost planning before construction begins.